Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to do a peace sign with your hand properly. And these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. If you want to do a peace sign, this is the video for you. It's relatively easy to do, and I'm going to show you and tell you exactly how to do it. So we're going to start off with choosing a hand. It can be your right hand or your left hand. It doesn't matter, but you're going to choose a hand. I'm going to use my right hand because that's my dominant hand, but either hand is entirely fine. So I'm going to get my right hand over here, and like I said, you can use either hand. So I'm going to get my right hand, and whatever hand you're using, you're going to get that hand, and just hold it like this with an open palm, okay? Then what you want to do is just close it and make a gentle fist. Doesn't need to be a squished up fist, a gentle fist, just like this, okay? Then what you're going to do is, you can see my palm is facing out, and I'm making the fist, a gentle fist like that. So when your hand looks like this, what you want to do is take your two fingers, your index finger and your middle finger, and raise them up together. So my index finger and middle finger are going to be raised, are going to rise up together right now, just like that, okay? So my thumb has now come over onto my ring finger and is resting there. Now with these two fingers up in the air, having raised them up, I'm just going to separate them into making like a V formation. Just like that, and that is your peace sign right there. As you can see right over here, I have my index finger and my middle finger up, okay, with their pads facing out, okay? And essentially they're creating a V formation, and then my other fingers are sort of in the fist formation, a gentle fist formation, with my thumb specifically on my ring finger over there. That is my peace sign. It is that simple. It is that easy, okay? It's literally that simple. And when you do it a little bit faster, you can just literally get the fingers and like that. So just like that, boom, just like that. It's very, very easy. That is how to make the peace sign, the peace hand gesture properly. Really, really easy to do. And with some practice, you'll be able to do it really, really quickly. Just like that. It's literally that simple. So I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it, and I've demonstrated it many times. Now you can take these instructions and apply them, and you can make your own peace sign hand gesture yourself as well. It's literally that simple. And I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.